Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0M. Dear audience, in this video I give some ideas about clock and watch. A clock or a timepiece is a device used to measure and indicate time. It used in a museum, it used in a class, it used in office. There are many uses in every field of life. The clock is one of the oldest human inventions, meeting the need to measure intervals of time shorter than the natural units such as the day, the lunar month, and the year. Devices operating on several physical processes have been used over the millennia. Dear audience, some predecessors to the modern clock may be considered clocks that are based on movement in nature. A sundial shows the time by display the position of a shadow on a flat surface. There is a range of duration timer, a well-known example being the hourglass. Water clocks, along with sundials, are possibly the oldest time measuring instrument. In this video, I give some ideas different clocks and different watches on wooden made, metal made, by fashions and by indoor and outdoor fashions, by room fashions, and other than all the fashions which is decor to rooms or halls or office or shops. Water clock along with sundial are possibly a major advance occurred with the invention of the verge escapement, which made possible the first mechanical clock around 1300 in Europe, which kept time with oscillating timekeeper like balance wheel. That is a historical history of clock and watch. Traditionally, in horology means the study of timekeeping. The term clock was used for striking clock, while a clock that did not strike the hours audibly was called a timepiece. So this was audibly was called a timepiece. This distinction is no longer made. Watches and other timepieces that can be carried on one's person are usually not referred to as clocks. Spring-driven clock appeared during the 15th century. During the 15th and 16th century, clockmaking flourished. The next development in accuracy occurred after 1656 with the invention of the pendulum clock by Christian Huygens. A major stimulus to improving the accuracy and reliability of clock was the importance of precise timekeeping for navigation. The mechanism of timepiece is also developed day by day. Says, dear audience, the watches are different in colors, different in colors chain, and different in that needle that grow by one, which may be some or seconds, some or minutes, and some or hours shows. Dear audience, the apparent position of the sun in the sky change over the course of each day, reflecting the rotation of the earth. I think that my video and my ideas of some beautiful clocks and some beautiful watches is much interesting for you guys. If my ideas are interesting, then subscribe my channel kindly, so I will be thankful to you. Thank you.